This 2024 Grand Design Imagine 2800BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 32 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 10, external shower, smoke detector, spare tire kit, Skylight, leveling jacks, air conditioning, microwave, carbon monoxide detector, awning, stove top burner, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom, front dinette, front kitchen, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear bath, rear dinette, rear entertainment, rear living area, 2 entry, exit doors, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Grand Design Imagine 2800BH is 6,386 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.